play out this scenario a little bit. Allah spelled out in the Quran what ladies get. Maybe He put down, I'm not judging, but if I ask my young daughters, maybe jewelry, maybe a bunch of Barbie dolls, maybe a dollhouse, maybe, a huge boutique with endless clothes, giant shoe stores, whatever. Not judging. Friends, my friends, I just want my friends. I just want to be happy. I don't even know what that means, but okay, all right. Just want to be happy, all right. You get happiness in Jannah. If it was spelled out, would there be some woman, a believing woman out there who said, that's cool, but is there something else? Would that be possible? See, when you ask a guy, you're going to get A, B, C, D. I'm good, let's work on Jannah. That's sold. Would there be a possibility that some woman would see a list of things and say, this isn't really for me? I think other women, they might be interested in this, but it's not for me, I'm different. Would that be possible? Yeah. Isn't it a mercy of Allah He didn't spell it out? Why do we have to look at things in a negative? أَلَا يَعْلَمُ مَنْ خَلَقَ? Doesn't He know who He created? He knows what He made. Allah knows men, Allah knows women. He didn't side with one over the other. He made both of them. And so not describing what women get in Jannah is actually an honor to my mother. It's an honor to my daughters. It's an honor to my wife. It's an honor for them that Allah did not mention it.